Hey guys, good morning once again, and thank you so very much for joining the cybersecurity sub demo. So, agenda for today demo class. First, I will give the overall agenda for today's cybersecurity demo. Introduction about myself. Second one is demo. Last one is Q&A, questions and answer session. So that is the overall agenda for another 1 hour we are going to discuss. Shall we start? Okay. Okay, guys. So this is Krishna. So couple of people will call me as a Ram or RK and so on. I have altogether overall 14 plus years of experience into different security technologies like endpoint, application, product, cloud, physical, infrastructure, mobile, and so on. So coming back to next one. Right now, what I'm going to discuss, what are the top trending technologies right now it is available in the market. Later, we can go and we can discuss about our cybersecurity demo. As per 2023, as well as 2024 survey, topmost trending IT technologies are, first one is machine learning and artificial intelligence. That is number one. Second one is data science. So under this data science, we have Hadoop, big data, data analytics, and data scientist will fall under. Third one is cloud computing. On this cloud computing, we have Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, and also Alibaba, Oracle, IBM, and so on. So under cloud computing, once again, we have DevOps, we have TechOps, we have DevSecOps, we have SRE, Site Reliable Engineer, and so on. So that is the topmost thought technologies. Next one is cybersecurity. That is our main content for today demo, whatever I'm going to present. Next one is Python. So Python also one of the topmost trending technology, and Angular. So under this Angular, I can say React to JS and Angular JS will fall under. Next one is evergreen subjects like or technologies like C, C++, and also .NET. Under that one, ASP, VB, C Sharp. Additionally, even we have Java, Core Java, Basic Java, Advanced Java, J2EE, a full stack developer, MREN, and so on. And also we have embedded systems like VLSI design, C, C++. Additionally, we have one more topmost trending technologies like ERP platforms, enterprise resource planning. Under that one, we have Oracle and also SAP. Next one is Power BI. Yeah, these are the couple of trending technologies currently as per 2023 and 2024 survey. Coming back to our technology, that is cybersecurity, will fall under fourth place in current scenario as per 2023 and 2024 survey. Yeah, we can start cybersecurity demo. So I cannot say only cybersecurity demo. This is basically for different types of technologies of the security. So we can go and we can discuss about overall what are the different types of technologies we have. And so why is cybersecurity so important, and why it is playing vital role in the current trending technologies. Yeah, before going to the cybersecurity demo part, first of all, what is security? So why security is so important? So security is nothing but general meaning is protecting of the data. That we can call it as cybersecurity. But that is not sufficient in current trending technology side. Protecting of the entire organization basically. So every organization or every company contains all the websites, all the applications, all the databases, all the servers, all the endpoints, all the cloud environment. To make sure that not only just data, to make sure that all these different types of components, if you want to protect 24/7, that is called cybersecurity. So before going to cybersecurity demo part, what I'm trying to do, I will explain about overall what are the different types of technologies we have, and also what are the different types of, so definitions will fall under. So before going to the our types of the technologies or branches of the technologies or subdomains of this security part. So why cyber security or any security is so important? So basically, attacker or hacker or intruder or threat actor, any objective or goal, basically two main objectives or goals for the any attacker or hacker. First one is easy way of earning money by doing blockmail. Second one is stealing of the data. So these are the two main objectives and goals of the respective attacker or hacker or intruder or threat actor. So he will compromise couple of systems, then he will do blockmail, and finally he will ask money or bitcoins or payment of the ransom and so on. So that is the first way. Second one is stealing of the data. So that may be organization data, that may be our personal data. We can store and we can utilize that data to build up our personal confidential data leakage or company leakage of the data. So these are the two main objectives and goals of the respective attacker or hacker. So basically there are three different types of hackers. One is black hat hacker. Second one is white hat hacker. Third one is a great hat hacker. So black hat hackers are completely real hackers. So they will compromise the system and they will ask either blockmailing and to earn money or maybe to earn data. So that is black hat hackers. White hat hackers. These white hat hackers, normally companies will recruit and they will fix the whatever issues or vulnerabilities or bugs or problems or loopholes identified with the black hat hackers. So that is white hat hackers and gray hat hackers. So gray hat hackers will fall under combination or partiality between black hat and white hat. So they're not a malicious or they are not always ethical hacker. Basically, they're in between black hat and white hat. So those hackers, we can call it as a gray hat. So before going to start, as I said, cyber security, we have so many branches or subdomains or types of the security we have. Those security technologies or branches or subdomains. First one is information security. The second one is physical security. Third one is endpoint security. Fourth one is network security. Next one is infra. Next one is application. Next one is mobile, product, cloud, cyber, IoT, cryptocurrency, blockchain. These are all the different types of security domains or security branches or security types we have. Now what we can do, we can go and we can discuss about each and every security technology and also what is the importance of each and every technology. So first one is information security. Information security, basically it will provide the overall organization security. So information security, it will act like a father or mother and remaining, so all other security technologies will act like a child. Otherwise, I can say that information security like a umbrella, under that umbrella, all these remaining security technologies will fall under. So any security you can consider, it will fall around three words or three terminologies. That is confidentiality, integrity or availability. That is also called as CIA triad. Any security can consider authentication or authorization or confidentiality or privacy or anything will fall under these CIA triad only. All these security technologies also will revolve around only these three words. That is CIA triad, confidentiality, integrity, and availability. So let's go and start in-depth analysis of information, physical, endpoint, network, and so on. As I said, information security like a mother and father, remaining all other branches or types or subdomains will fall under information security. So information security like umbrella, under this umbrella, we have so many sub-branches or subdomains we do have. So first one is information security. So information security will explain about overall organization security. Before going to explain about what is organization security, what is information? Information is nothing but collection of data that is called as the information. Every organization data is very, very important. Once again, there are two different types of data. One is critical data, second one is non-critical data. So if you want to make sure that implementing information security, we have to follow total overall 4 sub-branches. Once again, part of information security. First one is GRC, governance, risk and compliances. Second one is implementation of ISO 27001. Third one is risk management. Fourth one is BCP and DR, business continuity planning and disaster recovery. So basically, what is the role of the information security manager or GRC consultant or information security consultant? It is a basically auditor role. Every company or every organization, it is required two different types of auditings. One is finance auditing. Second one, security auditing. Finance auditing will be done by chartered accountant, CA, and security auditing will be done by our internal auditors and also external auditors. So this particular auditing will fall under security auditing. So our job role is fall under like internal auditor. First one is a GRC, governance, risk and compliances. Governance. So governor of the state, normally he will support to chief minister by providing the advices or guidelines, how we can develop the respective state. In the similar way, governance of the organization, it will provide business objectives, business goals, how that business objectives and business goals should be aligned with information security. What is meant by this one? X company has $5 billion. Maybe by 2024, that X company wants to achieve $10 billion. In that scenario, that X company not only should think about so how to achieve that particular profits, even that X company has to think about how that business objectives and business goals of the X company is aligned with information security. If you don't align with these information security guidelines or principles or vision or mission, in that scenario, any hacking gets happened by the respective attackers or hackers, our reputation of the company will damage. Once the reputation of the company will damage, obviously, we will not get the business. So that's why for any business, trustworthy is very, very important. So how we can achieve this trustworthy? Obviously, our company should not get hacked or compromised or should not reveal our reputation of the damage. That will fall under governance. A second one is the risk. So risk we can calculate in based on the likelihood and impact wise. Each and every team wise, that may be endpoint or application development or product development or DevOps, each and every team wise, we have to take care of the risk management and what the risk is involved. So in case if that risk is exploited, what the reputation damage to the respective company norms or company reputational damage. So that risk we can calculate, as I said, endpoint or network or application or cloud or product or mobile or network and so on. So that risk management we have to identify and we have to analyze the risk. After analyzing the risk, we have to take care of the mitigation of the risk. So can we accept the risk? Can we avoid the risk? Can we transfer the risk? Or can we implement the sufficient controls? All those will fall under risk management. So next one is compliances. Why we have to follow these compliances? If you don't follow the compliance, obviously we'll get the penalties or fines. For example, maybe once a red traffic signal will come, every vehicle, they will stop it. What is the reason behind this one? Obviously, a traffic police officer, so he will make a fine in case you are breaching the respective traffic rules and regulations. In the similar way, every company has to follow compliances based on the what type of business they are doing. Whether they are doing into healthcare business industry, whether they are into telecom industry, whether they are into oil and gas sector, whether they are into education sector, whether they are into banking sector or finance sector, insurance sector, and so on. According to that one, they have to go and they have to follow the rules and regulations respect to business, whatever they are doing. If they don't follow the rules and regulation, whatever business they are doing, obviously they will not get the projects or they will not get the business. So that is called compliances. There are different types of compliances. Basically, see ISO 27001, GDPR, PCA DSS, SOX compliances, all those will fall under compliances part. So next one is BCP and DR, Business Continuity Planning and Disaster Recovery. So in case any business disruptions or natural calamities are happening, like earthquakes or floods or tsunami or tornadoes or burning or fire and so on, how to continue the business operation? Is there any alternative site is existing for the primary site? Is there any backup site is existing for primary data center? So that particular thing we can call it as a business continuity planning and disaster recovery. In case primary site, some of the business disruptions or business outage, it will occur. We have to continue the business operations from the respective backup site or disaster recovery site. So that one will fall under information security. These four things will fall under overall information security. So main role of the information security is like an auditor. He has to take care of the overall guidelines, principles, and documentation and auditing related to security. Everything has to take care. That is information security. So as per the our branches of these subdomains of security, second one is physical security. So physical security is nothing but touchable things. So when you say touchable or physical security, example biometrics or CCTV cameras are not CCTV cameras are not existing in the organization or company, or fencing is not available, or security guard is not there, or maybe dog is not existing in front of the house. In that scenario, any attacker or hacker, they will come and they will take the respect to robbing of something or stealing of this something. So that will fall under physical security. Even physical security will also will fall under part of information security. But yes, we have to take care of the physical security implementation as well. Something if you want to prevent any breaches or data or robbery or thieves and so on. That is called physical security. Next one is endpoint security. So endpoint security, before going to endpoint security, first what is endpoint? Endpoint is nothing but end user machine. Take example, one of the institution or one of the university or one of the hospital or one of the bank or one of the college and so on. So whoever lecturer they are using like a workstation, in the bank clerk or probationary if using any asset, or in the organization level related to MNC multinational companies, what asset they are using, like a laptop or MacBook or workstation or a desktop. All these will fall under endpoints. What are security controls if are implementing to these endpoints, it is called as endpoint security or endpoint protection. So what are the different types of endpoint security solutions or endpoint protection controls we can implement? We can implement antivirus or ADR. We can implement anti-malware. We can implement encryption. We can implement HDS, HAPS, data loss or data leak prevention, and file integrity monitoring. So these are the different types of solutions we can implement part of endpoint security to take care of the respective something got compromised on the endpoint devices like laptop or MacBook or workstation or desktop, even all these servers as well. So that is called endpoint security. Each and every point security solution or each and every security solution also, we have sales team, we have pre-sales team, a design team, implementation team, and operational support of L1, L2, and L3. For these vacancies also, there are L1, L2, L3, additionally, sales, pre-sales, design, and implementation. In the endpoint security itself, we can create more than 25 vacancies. Yeah, we'll move to next one. Next one is network security. So network security, it's like a data center security or perimeter security or internet security. So in the network security side, we have to implement, there are three different types of solutions. One is next generation firewalls. Second one is a proxy servers or web gateway or application gateway. Third one is the network IDS and network IPs. So most of the attacks will come through internet or through cyber gateways. So if you want to mitigate these hacking part from the internet, so network three-tier architecture, these three solutions we have to implement. Those solutions are firewall, proxy, or web gateway, or application gateway. Third one is NADS and APS. So these three solutions or security controls will fall under network security. So next one is infra security. Infra security, whenever we are referring infrastructure security, we can think about most of the cases servers. That servers maybe belongs to database servers or web servers or DNS or DHCP or Microsoft or Unix or Red Hat Enterprise Linux or CentOS or Docker or container or even cloud instance as well. So we have to run these scans against these servers, and we have to identify the vulnerability management or vulnerability issues, and we have to ask the respective server team to fix those vulnerabilities or loopholes. So those things will fall under infrastructure security. Most of the cases, server scanning and identifying the vulnerabilities and mitigating those issues. That is infrastructure security. So number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. These 5 solutions are existing from long back, from 1992 till today. When Charles Babbage invented a computer in 1984, it's till today, we have all these security controls are existing. So till today, it is existing these solutions also. Currently, in the security point of view, trending technologies are application security, mobile security, product security, cloud security, and cyber security. So these security technologies, 6th to 10th. So these security technologies or domains will fall under completely emerging technologies or trending technologies right now in the market. Next 3, IoT, cryptocurrency, blockchain, it's going to come. It's already started. So these are all once again future or forthcoming trending technology in the cybersecurity point of view. So I'm repeating once again, number 1 to number 5, information, physical, endpoint, network, and infra. These are all legacy and already existing solutions. Application, mobile, product, cloud, and cyber security. These are all trending technologies or emerging technologies right now in the market. IoT, cryptocurrency, blockchain, it is going to emerge in future. So these are the overall different types of security domains or branches. Let's start with application security, mobile security, and product security. So application security or mobile security or product security, if you want to develop any feature that may be related to mobile feature or application feature or product feature, we will use SDLC lifecycle, software development lifecycle. Each and every software development lifecycle there are 5 pages. Those pages are, one is requirement phase, second one is design phase, third one is development phase, testing phase, and release phase. Up to 2020, December 31st, in each and every phase, we are not worrying about security. So this application revolution also happened because of the smartphone revolution, because of the day-by-day applications uses are increasing. And also additionally, even data we are getting with a cheaper cost because of the 3G spectrum, 4G spectrum, and 5G spectrum. We are getting data is very cheaper cost as compared to 10 years back. So because of this application revolution, smartphone revolutions, and also data evaluation part. So our hackers or intruders or attackers are increasing the hacking capability in the application side, mobile side, and product side. So as I said earlier, up to 2020 or 2018, we are not taking care of the security implementation each and every phase of the software development life cycle. We are implementing the security testing only in the testing level. Security testing, we are taking care of only vulnerability aspect and pen test in testing level only. But nowadays, all these attackers or hackers or intruders, they are using advanced hacking capability. So that is the reason even we have to implement at the time of the feature development itself. Each and every phase of the software development lifecycle of the application or product or mobile in the requirement phase. We should go and we should think from the security point of view, is there any controls we have to implement? In the design level, so threat modeling implementation, in development level, whatever developers, they are developing the code using different types of programming languages or development languages, we have to scan and we have to identify, is there any bugs are existing? Is there any loopholes are existing? Is there any vulnerabilities are existing in the respective programming languages like C or C++ or Java or Golang or Python or HTML, JavaScript or ASP.NET and so on. So once we are identifying the respective code issues, we have to inform to the respective application developers or mobile developers or product developers. We have to ask them to fix those issues. So in the testing level, we have to take care of the vulnerability assessment and pen test. It will fall under ethical hacking basically. So there are different types of pen testing we can do. One is automated, second one is manual penetration testing. So here we can do once again black box penetration testing, white box penetration testing, gray box penetration testing. But if you want to move to either application or product or mobile, so at least one of the programming knowledge you should know. So I'm repeating once again, if you want to move to application security or product security or mobile security, so at least you should know one of the programming language. So that may be most of the cases, embedded systems like a C or C++, or maybe microservices-based applications like a Java-based applications or .NET applications. Sixth one, seventh one, and eighth one, you should know at least one of the programming language, because we have to review the code and we have to give the advice or suggestion to our respective mobile developers or application developers or product developers. So that is about application security, mobile security, and product security. Then we can move to cloud security. So whatever in the data center or infrastructure or in the on-premise security controls we are implementing. So that may be antivirus or EDR or DLP or encryption or file integrity monitoring or firewall or proxy or IDS, IPS or web application firewalls. Even we have to implement in the cloud also. That security controls, we can call it the cloud security controls. So basically whatever cloud services providers they are using, maybe native based services or maybe third party. So inbuilt, we can use whatever cloud service provider, Amazon, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud, or Alibaba, or maybe Oracle or IBM. So these are the very famous cloud service providers. They are building their own services to the respective cloud service providers, whatever services they are providing as IaaS or PaaS or SaaS-based deployments or cloud migrations. So we can use either a default or maybe native services of the cloud services security controls, or else we can use bring your own license also. That is called BYOL. So same thing, whatever we are implementing in the data center, in the infrastructure, those controls we have to implement in the cloud also. That is called cloud security. Basically, examples of the cloud security controls are identity access management, role-based access control, network access control is security groups. Okay, so logging and monitoring. Okay, so all these will fall under cloud security. You can see here. So next one is IoT, and also next one is cryptocurrency and blockchain. So these are all the forthcoming trending technologies. Already these technologies are already started also. One is IoT, Internet of Things, cryptocurrency and blockchain. These are all once again emerging and trending, present running and forthcoming technologies as well. Finally, our main course or content, cybersecurity SOC. So before going to the SOC or cybersecurity, so what is first of all cybersecurity? So cybersecurity is nothing but monitoring 24/7 into 365 days, all the endpoints, all the organization, all the cloud, all the databases, all the servers, all the applications, and whenever any alerts will come, taking care of the appropriate actions or instant response is called as cybersecurity. For monitoring of all these cybersecurity SOC operations, we will use one of the tool. The tool we can call it as a SIEM tool. So the simple form is security information and event management. If I want to give practical example, what is cybersecurity SOC operations or security operations center? Whenever any ISRO they are launching any rocket or any Chandrayaan related GSLV, PSLV launching vehicles, so they will monitor from control room. And so they can go and they can verify what is status of the respective rockets or GSLV or PSLV satellite vehicles part. In the similar way, we can monitor security related alerts whenever any attacker are hacking, they're trying to do it. I will give one more practical example. One of the flight is traveling from source to destination. So, or one of the helicopter is traveling from source to destination. In that scenario, from control room in the airport, they will see what is status of the respective helicopter or flight. So whether destination is reached or not, in between source and destination, is there any rains are coming or any rainfall it's happened or snow is happening? Suddenly we have to launch the respective or onboard the respective our helicopter or flight. So from control room, they will monitor. In the similar way, whenever any train is traveling from source to destination, from control room, what is the status of the respective train? Same as it is, that particular thing you can convert into cybersecurity side. We can monitor 24/7 into 365 days, whether attacker or hacker is trying to do any hacking. Is there something got compromised like a true positive or not compromised like a false positive? So those alerts will come in SIM tool, that is our monitoring tool. And whenever these alerts are received, now we have to go and we have to take care of the instant investigation or forensic analysis. For example, if I want to give this particular forensic analysis or instant investigation in our day-to-day life, one of the murder is happened or one of the robberies happened. How this police department team, they will come and they will take care of the investigation, like raising the FIR case for tracking purpose and auditing purpose. And after that, gathering the respective information related to murder or whatever robbery it's happened as an incident. And after that, doing the investigation analysis. And finally, so making a summary of the report. And once instant investigation is completed, then they will submit to the court, that will be Supreme Court or High Court or Family Court. And finally, they will close it. In the similar way, same as it is, how they are taking care of the criminal investigation or family investigation, we will take care of the computer investigation. That is the only difference. Whenever any alert will come, we can go and we can create a ticket. In the criminal investigation, we can call it as a FIR. In our case, we can call it as a ticket. And so we can gather the information. That information we can call it as a triage for different types of attacks. And later we can do the instant investigation. And finally, we can make a summary of the report and we can close it based on the false positive and true positive side. So for operational point of view, there are three different types of levels. One is level 1. Second one is level 2, level 3. For investigation purpose, related to forensic analysis or instant investigation, related to hacking part of the respective investigations. So 0 to 4 years experience will fall under level 1. 4 to 6 years of the people will fall under level 2. And 6 plus experience will fall under level 3. So this is also called as a tier 1 or a tier 2 or tier 3. So these are the 3 different types of operational support team every SOC team contains. Level 1 or tier 1, level 2 or tier 2, or level 3 or tier 3. Level 1 team respect to designation is security analyst or information security analyst or cyber security analyst, 0 to 4 years of experience. Level 2 is a senior cyber security analyst, a senior security analyst, or threat detection guy, or senior information security analyst. That will fall under level 2. Level 3, 6 plus years of experience will fall under level 3. Like threat hunters, malware analysis team, incident responder to take care of the event mitigation as well, a reverse engineering team. So these 3 will fall under respect to level 3. To take care of the people management and also technical management related to projects or SOC operations, one dedicated person will be there. The dedicated person, we can call it as level 4 or SOC manager. So these are all the different types of levels of the respective cybersecurity team is involved. So the SOC also called as a computer emergency response team set, or we can also call it as a CSIRT, a cyber security incident response team. We can also call it SIRT, security incident response team. So coming back to what are the prerequisites are there to come into cybersecurity field? 10 plus 2 plus 3, that may be any degree basically. So that is the, so for, not only for our cybersecurity technology, even for any software industry, if anyone wants to enter into the software industry, so 10 plus 2 plus 3, 10th standard and plus 2 or intermediate or 3 bachelor of degree, that may be BCom or BSc or BJC or BSc nursing or BTech or BCA or MCA will fall under 10 plus 2 plus 3 bachelor of degree. That is the first prerequisites related to education. Second prerequisites, it belongs to system knowledge. You should know how to operate a laptop and what is C drive, what is D drive, what is temporary folder. You should know how to operate laptop. Third one is very, very important thing is communication skills. It's a very, very important. It will play a vital role for any technology if you want to enter into cybersecurity, any technology basically. So for if you want to enter into IT industry, so that is obviously it's very important. Why? Because we have to speak with our clients in the obviously it's a must and very, very important language English. So these are the 3 prerequisites for the requirement for if you want to enter into cybersecurity field. Education is 10 plus 2 plus 3, bachelor of degree, any bachelor of degree. Second one is system knowledge, how to operate a system, or laptop, or MacBook, or workstation, or desktop. Third one is communication skills. So coming back to tools, what are the different types of tools? I will teach in the respective classes. Necessities for vulnerability management. SIM tools is side Azure Sentinel or Logarithm or QRadar, and antivirus or ADR side CrowdStrike and Defender and Carbon Block. On the firewall side, FortiGate, ticketing tool side Jira and ServiceNow, and a couple of open source tools like VirusTotal.com, HybridAnalysis.com, Wireshark, Nmap, Process Monitor, Process Explorer, URL Scan. Those are all open source tools. And coming back to the overall course content, it will take approximate 2 months. So in this course, I'm not only covering just like operational support of L1, L2, L3, even I will cover whatever experience I do have, starting with the sales, pre-sales, security architecture related roles and responsibilities, how to do and what to do, even implementation side for each and every tool related to security, and finally operational support of L1, L2, L3. So if anyone is coming to my training, they're eligible to 0 to 15 years experience also. So anyone can come to this particular training part. And I'm not only just covering the only cybersecurity SOC, even I will cover other technologies like information security. Second one, I will cover endpoint security. I will cover network security. I will cover infrastructure security. I will cover basic of the application security. I will cover basics of the cloud security. Finally, our cybersecurity SOC operations. So this is what I will cover for the entire 60 days time period, approximate 70 hours of the classes. So that is the overall cybersecurity demo, guys. If you have any questions, just you can ask me, then I can clarify it.
Hi Ram, is it related to tools or something beyond that we will be learning?
Now, as I said, Chaitanya, basically it's not all about only tool point of view. What are experience side you have? So I know about what is sales, what is pre-sales, what is architecture of the HLD, LLD creation, implementation, even operation support of L1, L2, L3. I will cover everything. It's not
Oh,
only just on the tool point of view. Yeah,
okay.
it's very good question. Thanks for asking, Chaitanya. Next.
Yeah.
Yeah, please ask in any language. That's fine for me.
Bro, how about the openings for this? Like once we done with this, so we'll be having some kind of assessments and
Yeah,
then we'll put the resume. Oh,
Yeah, it's a very good question once again, Chaitanya. Basically,
yeah.
there are so many vacancies. Even though recession is started in 2023, January itself. So,
Yes.
but there are a lot of recruitment is going on cybersecurity side because Russian-Ukraine war is going on, Palestine-Israel war is going on. There are a lot
Yes.
of hacking is happening, and moreover, all over the worldwide, every company doesn't have the SOC operations. So that is a good sign for us. There are a lot of vacancies, so for even freshers as well. So yeah, so coming back to your question, yes, there are a lot of vacancies and a lot of recruitment is going on the cybersecurity side.
Yes. How the once the course is completed,
Mm.
you will build the resume, right? You will help
Yes,
us
I
to.
can teach everything. We can
Okay.
discuss about interview questions and the past experience, people, motivational speeches and mock interviews. Everything I
Okay.
will take care. Yeah. Weekly basis, basically, I used to conduct even
Yeah.
mock interviews
Assessments.
also from Monday to Saturday, whatever course we completed. I used to take even mock interviews as well. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Any other questions? Just you can ask in any language. That's what I said. In Telugu also, that is fine. There are no questions at all.
Uh, Batch timings for this
Yeah,
is it
it's
is
good question once again, Chaitanya. So basically, I will teach the classes from evening 7 to 8 or 7 to 8:30.
okay. So Monday to Friday, right?
Monday to Saturday, Sunday also.
Saturday.
Because
Okay.
see, syllabus is very vast, Chaitanya. You
Okay.
can see here, I'm not only just covering for the namesake. Okay, so taking some money from the people and covering like for the namesake, teaching only
Yeah.
cybersecurity SOC. I'm covering information security, endpoint security, network security, infrastructure security. Yes, I will take even weekends as well. Yeah,
So timing will be same, right? Even for
timing will be
weekends.
same. Yes, yes.
7 to 8. Okay.
Yeah.
So in case we miss,
Yeah, recorded
any-
sessions will be
yeah.
uploaded in the Google Drive. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, all the recorded sessions I will upload in the Google Drive and you can access anytime in case something you missed out.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. Any other questions? Anil, Bhargav, Naveen, Chinni, Gayatri, Harish, Janardhan, Jashwant, Kiran, Kumar, Loknath, Nagprasad. Don't you have any questions?
Where can we the practice the tools?
Yeah, tools, as I said, so couple of demo tools I can provide because license is very expensive.
Okay.
Because SIM tool is very expensive, EDR tools also very expensive. So I have that plan. It's a very good question. Thanks for asking that one. So I have planned to build up even all these tools dedicated lab environment. For this batch, what I will do, I will explain in the practical demo tools. So you can practice that one, and you should require minimum 8 GB RAM in your laptop.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a good question. Thanks for asking. Any other? Yes, online is available, Rambab. So yeah, as I said, so there are two classes going on. One is in Hyderabad location, and that is offline. That is a classroom training. Second one is offline. Sorry, online. That is through virtual. Whatever you like, just you can come and join. Any other? Just if are not, I
Online
mean,
and offline both are same
yeah, same
timing.
as it is. No, no, no. Offline is daily morning 7:30 to 9, and online is from evening 7 to 8:30. Any other?
So up to how much any experience we can put with your sessions.
That I can't discuss here because it's not good to discuss. So you can make a call to me and I can discuss privately with you.
So whatever we discussed, is it practically? I mean, in
Yes,
practical
yes.
work, will it be useful, sir?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Any other?
Sir, as a fresher, is it possible to get into cybersecurity fields?
Yes, approximate 20 to 30 people are selected, Chinni, right? Yeah, approximate 20 to 30 people are selected as a fresher with minimum package is 3.2 lakhs. Minimum. Okay, I will do one thing. Okay, what I will do, I'm doing the recording of this session.